Welcome back, ladies. In this video I have a 2014 Audi S4. I'm putting an air intake on here, and I'm also putting a fuel relocation line on here. So I'll show you the parts I'm going to put on right now. What APR sells, this is the fuel line relocation kit. It's pretty much just a fuel line with a braided loom on it, and this is the carbon fiber little kit that they give you, and they give you a breather and the open element cone. So let's begin. Okay, over here by the throttle body, that's 7mm for the hose clamp. Got a little pry tool, panel remover tool. Let's remove this vacuum line. Now over here, pop this off here, and this should come off the throttle body, just like that. That's that. This over here. You just pry up on this back here, and that unclips. Now all this is for you to remove. Now there's a clip here. Pull this clip up. There's a clip in the back. So you do a good old reach around. You pop that clip. So this whole thing comes right out. Now over here you got to manhandle this. Pops right out. Now you grab this and you manhandle this, wiggle and jiggle, and it looks like it pops out for the most part.
That's the You
just pop that off and just pull it out and down. Okay, panel remover tool. Pop these out, or break them, whichever you prefer. Slowly. Alright, now to do the fuel line, you close this clamp here with a set of pliers. Get to it again. And move the clamp over. So this thing's swelled up a little bit, that's why it's a little difficult to remove. But there you go, it's off. And now put a rag over here and slowly remove this. Just twist and pull. It's almost off. And barely any fuel came out. And now over here, this piece, now this is an annoying clamp, so I'm just gonna freaking cut this, screw that. And I got time to mess with these things. Alright, so it's snapped off. It happens. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a brass union. AutoZone has these for 3/8 lines, and just put clamps on here and you're good to go. Alright, now I'm going to cut this here so I could put the union. It. So in case you're wondering, this is just a quick disconnect. It's not a big deal if you use a brass connection here, union. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. And just find a hard surface, and it goes all the way in. Connect it here. That's good. Move the clamp up. Alright, so this is done. And routed that under the crankcase evacuation hose. And this is going to go here. Alright, so that hose is done. And over here, the stock piece, and this is all done. Okay, now put this on. It comes out from the kit. It's just a rubber connector with a clamp. And make sure you're around the throttle body and just tighten that down. Yeah, that's good. And put the other clamp on this side, just like that. And then you see here, this, you're gonna have to put the rubber line, the vacuum line over there. So if this gives you a little problems putting it in, just put some silicone lube on here. And just put it around the inside of this. Okay, now it should slide in easier. Yep, look at that. Right in, baby. A little bit of lube. That's all you need. And now you can put the rubber hose back on. And that's on. Okay. Now take the breather and stick it in like that. And you can zip tie this to this bracket over here. Just like that. Now some more butter sauce on the sleeve over here. Leave it there for now. Make sure they're all pointing the same way so it can look pretty. Leave that there for now. Okay, these were a little loose, so I'm just going to tighten these down on the air box. So I'm going to put an adjustable on this side and a 13mm on this side. Just snug them down a little bit. Don't have to go too crazy. And same thing on this side. Now take off these rubber knobs down here and put them on here. Just like that. So you can sit down on the rail in the car and we're ready to put this in. So these should sit in there. Now install it. Push the bottom feet in. This is sitting good there. It's kind of tight, but everything looks like it's lining up. And put the sleeve on. A little silicone on here too. And there you go. Now tighten these down. And now tighten these down. I can tighten the top piece over here. Okay. Now the last piece of the puzzle, the cone filter. You put that in here and tighten her down. And she's done. I like to point everything in the same direction. It's also easier. Make sure you point them in a spot where it's easy to take them off and put them back on. So that's the air intake on this Audi. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya!